Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 23rd of February. And first of all, national news. Stock index to rise about 9% in 2024, correction unlikely, a report said. Why name them Akbar Sita? High Court asked Bengal to rename lions. Manipur High Court modified 2023 order on Meiteis in scheduled tribe list. Accused fined 30,000 by Delhi court for avoiding physical appearance. My guarantee to transform lives of even last person in society, PM Modi. PM Modi gave target to make Amul producer world's biggest dairy company. And now some international news. Google paused artificial intelligence tool after IT created images of black women Nazi soldiers. China to send more pandas to San Diego Zoo in US. Eiffel Tower closed for fourth day amid strike over management dispute. Over 6.3 million people visited the Eiffel Tower last year. France announced $11 billion budget cut to tackle deficit. Major US cities sinking faster than you think, NASA warned. Elon Musk have visited White House only once during Joe Biden's term. And now business related news. India to be third largest economy by 2027, surpass Japan, Germany. And now some sports news. IPL schedule 2024. The schedule for the first time 21 matches has been announced so far. BMW to each player, 1 crore cash. Hyderabad team promised big reward if they win Ranji Trophy. The 8th edition of the Pakistan Super League ended on Saturday. Senior pacer Mohammad Shami has been ruled out of next month's Indian Premier League. And now news related to business. Stock index to rise about 9% in 2024, correction unlikely, a report said. Byju's founder fighting free fall after rapid rise has a new problem. India to be third largest economy by 2027, surpass Japan, Germany. Science related news. NASA's Hubble telescope captured last gasp of dying binary star system. European Space Agency satellite concluded its 3-decade long mission. Japan to soon launch world's first wooden satellite. And that's all in news. Thank you.